There's something that our teachers taught us. Al-ataya ala qadr nawaya. You receive spiritual gifts from Allah based on your sincere niyyah. Based on your sincere niyyah. You have a sincere niyyah for something, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opens the way for you to achieve it, to see it, to have it. Al-ataya ala qadr nawaya. Something that we should be mindful of. Always fill your heart with good intentions. Even though some things may not be, you may not think it's possible to achieve. You may not think it's possible to achieve, but it's something good that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves. Make your niyyah. I want to do this. I want to do this. You have this niyyah, this sincere niyyah, intention in your heart. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shows you the way. Open doors for you to achieve it. He gives you the spiritual gifts. Allah ta'ala.